Imagine AI turning Google search into a turbo boost for Chicago's auto repair shops. Suddenly, finding the best mechanic becomes lightning fast. Picture this. AI mode uncovers hidden gems your GPS never showed you. But wait, there's a twist. America's Best Shops marketing agency supercharges these local heroes with cutting-edge AI power. A small, family-owned garage becomes the talk of the town overnight. Customers flood in, thanks to AI spotlighting real reviews and trust like never before. The city's streets pulse with rides fixed faster, better, smarter. These shops aren't just repair spots, they're community legends. And the true magic? AI mode helps real people connect with real experts instantly. No more guessing games, just pure precision. Chicago's gritty auto shops rise to digital stardom, all backed by a marketing force that knows exactly how to wield AI. What if your next mechanic was just one AI search away? Ready to unlock the future of auto repair? How will AI transform your local business? Dive into the AI revolution with America's Best Shops, where innovation meets horsepower. Are you driving into the future or stuck in the past?